Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious peanut butter cookies. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of peanut butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even baking from the start. Now let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the peanut butter, both sugars, egg, and vanilla until smooth and well combined. Then, gradually add the flour, mixing on low speed until just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. A perfectly mixed dough is key for a soft, chewy texture. Next, it's time to shape your cookies. Roll the dough into 1-inch balls and place them 2 inches apart on a baking sheet. Use a fork to gently press down on each ball, creating the iconic crisscross pattern. This also helps them bake evenly. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Let them cool slightly on the sheet. Once baked, transfer your cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them firm up and prevents them from becoming soggy. Store your delicious peanut butter cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. They're perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.